My favorite summer cocktail is a limoncello spritz. It's super easy to make and so refreshing for all summer long. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making a fabulously easy cocktail, a limoncello spritz. If you've ever had like a white wine spritzer, this is very similar, except for instead of using like, I don't know, what goes in a white wine spritzer? Club soda and white wine, we are using a sparkling Prosecco and limoncello, and then we're also going to top it off with, traditionally it's club soda, we are actually using a lemon flavored water, a sparkling water. So it's super easy to make. It's great for a hot summer day. It's very refreshing, very fruity, and completely addicting. And if you're lightweight like me, you may only need one or two. So they're super potent. Anyway, limoncello, if you don't know about it already, is a lemon flavored liqueur, and it's made by putting lemons or lemon peels in alcohol and letting it sit or like ferment for days. Very similar to making like a flavored vodka. It is from Italy, like southern Italy, the Amalfi Coast. These limoncello spritzes are very, very popular. So let's go ahead and make one. They're so incredibly easy and they're really, really refreshing. So we're just gonna fill some glasses with some crushed ice. And we're just gonna add like a shot or two of limoncello, depending on how potent you want it. Limoncello is very strong. So we're not gonna add like honey or anything to sweeten this up because limoncello is already pretty sweet. And then we're just gonna top off with a little bit of Prosecco. And if you wanna go all in, you can do all Prosecco and skip the club soda or sparkling water. You can already smell the lemon. And then I'm just using a limonada. It's San Pellegrino. It's just a sparkling flavored water. And you can use any flavor. You could even muddle some berries in the bottom, like blueberries or blackberries. This is really a great base cocktail recipe that you can totally add to if you'd like. And then traditional garnishes are just like lemon and basil. So we're just gonna add some lemon slices and a little bit of basil. And that is it. That's your limoncello spritz. So I need to make sure it tastes as good as I remember it. Yes, it's light and fruity and refreshing and simply amazing. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.